Guys, this is our last lab, so let me run you through what we kind of did. We made a solar hot dog cooker, so we put some black underneath it and then made a can cooker, and then I kind of took out the piece hoping that it would reflect back up into the hot dog. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to try to put it in the light as much as I can. I'm going to have to adjust it a little bit, but we'll check back in about 10 minutes and see if the temperature's risen at all. Alright, so it's about 10 minutes later. Let me get my thermometer out. And, yeah. We're gonna see what happens. You guys probably can't hardly see that. So hopefully this is enough sun to get it warmed up a little bit. I believe the last temperature was like 21.5, I think, or something like that. You can see we're going down, well, right, well the new temperature is 24.7, so we're getting a little progress, even if it's only a few degrees. And it's still dropping a minute. 24.4. It doesn't change in about 10 seconds. So we're going to say about 24.4, which is still an increase of about 3 degrees. So we're getting hotter, hopefully. Looks like it's working so far, but we'll catch you in about 10 more minutes. Alrighty, so it's been about 10 more minutes. I think we went from 21.9 to 24.5. Let's see. Looks like we're still getting a decent amount of sunlight here. So let's see what we get down to. I guess what we can get up to is the real question. Just trying to beat 24. Well, it's not happening fast, but it looks like we're going to end up being around 26 or so. Also, keep in mind, this hot dog was in the refrigerator before we took it out, so it explains kind of the low temperatures. Oh, it's actually going up. That's nice. 6.8. 0.7. 0.6. Okay, now it's going back down for some reason. 0.2. Okay, I'm going to say about 26.2 is what it seems to be about, so catch you in another 10 minutes. So we're here for our third. I think the last one was like 26-ish. I'll have to check. I'm writing this down, of course, but I gotta do a little checking. Whoa, ooh, ooh. Bug in the hair, bug in the hair. Ooh. Alright, looks like it's about 24.8, so not much more. Maybe we'll have to try to push this a little more into a sunspot. But 24.8, it went up a little bit, but not much. So we'll catch in about 10 minutes again. Alright, so we're taking another temperature about 10 minutes after. I think before I said 24, I meant 26.8. So hopefully we've increased in temperature since then. Oh, jeez. Let's try it. Kind of battling the clouds today. I thought Tuesday was a good day, but I thought today, since it was still like 50 degrees that day, I was hoping that today would be, since it's a little warmer, would be better, but Looks like we're still playing with it, but trying to find the best sunspots. It's probably also partially my fault because I decided to do this on the porch behind some trees. You can see the sun's right there. Well, it'd be better if you turned it on. Sorry about that. Okay. $26 and rise. 20 back to 20 going down. Going back up. Kind of funky. Gotta move it back in a sunspot. It looks like the tree kind of covered us up. So it appears right now we're about 29.2. So still. Alrighty, so we're on our second to last temperature test. We're kind of trying to find the sun here. It's right up there, but maybe we should have. Hopefully that doesn't turn off. Going up. It's kind of hard because we were doing really good on temperature and now the sun has seemed to escape us. I mean, we're still going up a little, but not as much as we'd like. I mean, again, you gotta think it was in the refrigerator too, but it's definitely warmed up a little since. It looks like it's about 29.6. So unfortunately, we're kind of staying on the same temperature or close to it. We're not increasing by a lot either. So yeah, just trying to think of what we can do better. As you can see, that's our temperature right there. So we'll see in about 10 more minutes. As you can tell, we're chasing the sun here, so it's probably been in a different spot about every time. This is our last measurement. So hopefully we can get above 29-ish degrees. So we're going to try our best here. Well, let me get it back in Celsius. And here we go. Hold on. Yeah, unfortunately we're kind of trying to chase the sun here, so hopefully it's gone up a little bit, but I thought today would be better than Tuesday because today is still like 70 something degrees and Tuesday was like 50 something degrees, so I was thinking it would be better because of the fact that obviously if you cook with the oven door open it won't be very good, so I thought the outside temperature would have more of a effect than it does or has had before. So we're still going up a little. Unfortunately, we've kind of run out of sun on this back porch, so it may not change very much. We're still going up a little bit. It seems to about stop. We're still at about 29.3 degrees, as you can see, so unfortunately we couldn't get it super hot, but it's warmer than it was, so oh, that's nice. Well, thank you for watching, and that'll be the end of the physical science experiments videos. Thank you.